Hello car enthusiasts and welcome back to Car for Us. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of the highly anticipated 2024 BMW X3. If you're as passionate about automobiles as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth updates. Now, let's dive deep into the incredible luxury SUV, the 2024 BMW X3. Every time a new car is on the horizon, whether it's an official announcement or nearing its release date, the automotive world is abuzz with excitement and speculation. Enthusiasts and car aficionados eagerly anticipate what the automaker will bring to the market this time. With BMW, the excitement is often triggered with an air of mystery. Will it be a subtle upgrade or a revolutionary leap forward? This is precisely the case with the next generation BMW X3. As of now, details about what the 2024 BMW X3 will bring are scarce. We've seen spy photos of the vehicle, but they've been carefully crafted to reveal as little as possible. The interior has been tantalizingly concealed, offering only fleeting glimpses. So, what exactly does the 2024 BMW X3 have in store for us? Join us on this journey as we uncover the mysteries surrounding this luxury SUV. To truly appreciate the significance of the 2024 BMW X3, we must first explore its interior, the heart of the driving experience. BMW enthusiasts have been eagerly awaiting a glimpse of what lies inside this automotive marvel. Earlier this year, our excitement was piqued when exterior spy shots of the BMW X3 were captured during testing. These shots, while revealing some exterior details, still kept the interior shrouded in secrecy. However, our patience was eventually rewarded when recent spy shots provided a long-awaited look at the interior. These images showcased an interior that was still covered and unfinished, but they offered enough insight for us to make some educated assumptions about what's to come. One standout feature is the substantial single-piece display on the dashboard. This impressive display spans from where the driver display would typically be all the way across the center of the dash, where the infotainment system is traditionally located. BMW has been at the forefront of digital driver displays, and this new system is poised to raise the bar. It not only provides all the information a driver could desire, but also adapts based on the selected driver mode. Furthermore, it engages with the driver on a visual level, enhancing the overall driving experience. Now, as we eagerly anticipate even larger screens, it's worth noting the advantages of such a setup. With controls conveniently at your fingertips on the touchscreen, there's no need to divert your attention elsewhere on the dashboard to find the button you want. It's right there, looking back at you. However, we must acknowledge that some functions, like adjusting the speaker's volume or fine-tuning the air conditioning, can be a bit cumbersome on a touchscreen while on the move. That's where tactile buttons come into play. Fortunately, the spy shots reveal that BMW recognizes this need and has made room below the infotainment display for manual buttons, providing a more tactile and user-friendly experience. Now, let's delve into the performance aspects of the 2024 BMW X3. BMW is renowned for its unwavering commitment to performance and driving dynamics. While the X3 fundamentally falls into the crossover category, there's always room for performance enhancements. When it comes to engines, there's a noteworthy shift in the higher-performing M versions. The familiar 3-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine may no longer be the standard. Instead, we're witnessing the potential introduction of a plug-in hybrid powertrain. This intriguing power plant would combine the acclaimed 2-liter inline-4 turbocharged engine with electric motors. The goal? To deliver the kind of performance expected of an M model while enhancing fuel efficiency. The advantages of such a hybrid setup are twofold. Firstly, it promises to provide performance levels that are on par with, or perhaps even surpass, the current X3 M40i. Secondly, it brings improved fuel efficiency to the table, a win-win for both performance enthusiasts and those conscious of their carbon footprint. Beyond the technical details, it's worth exploring the production and future of the 2024 BMW X3. BMW has made exciting announcements that signal a significant shift in its manufacturing approach. The next generation BMW X3 is set to be manufactured in South Africa as a plug-in hybrid for global export commencing in 2024. Moreover, Plant Rosslyn, which has a rich history of producing more than 1.6 million cars since its inception in 1968, is poised to receive a substantial $218 million investment aimed at electrification. While BMW has not provided in-depth insights into the 2024 X3, the fact that prototypes have been on the road for an extended period indicates a vehicle that is meticulously crafted and tested to perfection. Now, let's talk about the variants and what we can expect from the 2024 BMW X3. The spy photos hint at a similar but larger overall shape compared to the current model. There are subtle cues that suggest a more chiseled fascia, emphasizing the vehicle's presence on the road. The interior, as we've discussed, is poised to set a new standard for digital displays. But what about the hotter M variants? Rumors abound about an X30 M50 that promises a unique driving experience. This variant may feature an M Sport suspension, adaptive dampers as an option, illuminated grills, 20-inch alloy wheels, and the signature M interior and exterior components. The X30 M50 aims to cater to those who seek an extra level of performance without sacrificing the comforts of a crossover. Moreover, we'll be introduced to a new and improved BMW iX3, which is set to join the X3 lineup. However, it won't be built on the same CLAR architecture found underneath the current model. Instead, it will utilize BMW's dedicated new classic EV architecture. The adoption of electric powertrains is a clear indication of BMW's commitment to embracing the future while delivering the performance and luxury it's renowned for. In closing, the 2024 BMW X3 appears poised to become a fan favorite among BMW enthusiasts. Is it worth the wait? Well, considering the tantalizing advancements in technology, performance, and sustainability, it certainly holds great promise. What new features do you think it will introduce? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. As we've journeyed through the known and speculated aspects of the 2024 BMW X3, let's take a moment to explore some intriguing possibilities and what the future might hold for this luxury SUV. Advanced driver assistance. With the automotive industry rapidly progressing towards autonomous driving, it's possible that the 2024 BMW X3 may feature enhanced driver assistance systems. These could include more advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even limited self-driving capabilities. Enhanced connectivity. In today's digital age, connectivity is paramount. BMW might introduce cutting-edge connectivity features such as over-the-air updates to keep the vehicle's software up to date and ensure it remains on the technological forefront. Sustainability. The automotive industry is increasingly embracing sustainability. BMW has shown a commitment to electric and hybrid technology, and the 2024 X3 might offer a fully electric variant alongside the hybrid models, catering to eco-conscious consumers. Exquisite materials. Luxury vehicles are known for their exquisite materials, and the 2024 X3 could push the envelope in this regard. Expect the highest quality leather, wood, and metal finishes, along with customizable interior options to cater to individual tastes. Performance optimization. BMW's M division is renowned for its performance-oriented vehicles. While the X3 M50 hints at an exciting future, it's possible that we might see even more potent variants, pushing the boundaries of what an SUV can achieve in terms of speed and handling. In conclusion, the 2024 BMW X3 holds the promise of being a remarkable addition to the luxury SUV market. As we've explored its potential in terms of design, technology, performance, and sustainability, it's clear that BMW is determined to continue its legacy of delivering exceptional vehicles. But what do you think? Are you eagerly awaiting the 2024 BMW X3? What features and innovations are you most excited about? Do you have any theories or speculations about what this luxury SUV might offer? We value your insights, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on this extensive exploration of the 2024 BMW X3. If you found this in-depth analysis intriguing and informative, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on your favorite cars. We'll be back with more thrilling automotive news soon. Until then, drive safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.